Can you introduce yourself in English? Can you talk about yourself for just 1 minute in English? If not, don't worry. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you 100 easy English sentences for self-introduction. After practicing these sentences, you'll be able to introduce yourself with confidence in school, college, job interviews, meetings, or when talking to new people. So don't skip this lesson. Watch until the end, repeat every sentence with me, and practice every day. Let's start learning and become confident English speakers together. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sophia. My name is Sophia. You can call me Sophia. You can call me Sophia. I am from Canada. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto. I live in Toronto. I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. I was born in Canada. I was born in Canada. I am an English learner. I am an English learner. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently. English is my favorite language. English is my favorite language. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. Reading is my favorite hobby. Reading is my favorite hobby. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I enjoy watching movies. I enjoy watching movies. I love traveling. I love traveling. I enjoy meeting new people. I enjoy meeting new people. I like making new friends. I like making new friends. I am a friendly person. I am a friendly person. I always try to stay positive. I always try to stay positive. I am kind and honest. I am kind and honest. I respect everyone. I respect everyone. I believe in kindness. I believe in kindness. I always help others. I always help others. My family is very important to me. My family is very important to me. I love spending time with my family. I love spending time with my family. I have a small family. I have a small family. I enjoy talking with my friends. I enjoy talking with my friends. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I exercise every day. I exercise every day. I like healthy food. I like healthy food. I drink plenty of water. I drink plenty of water. I keep my room clean. I keep my room clean. I like cooking. I like cooking. I enjoy drinking coffee. I enjoy drinking coffee. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. I enjoy nature. I enjoy nature. I love flowers. I love flowers. I enjoy walking in the park. I enjoy walking in the park. I like taking photos. I like taking photos. I enjoy learning new skills. I enjoy learning new skills. I like using technology. I like using technology. I enjoy watching educational videos. I enjoy watching educational videos. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I believe practice makes perfect. I believe practice makes perfect. I never stop learning. I never stop learning. I always try my best. 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 I believe in hard work. I believe in hard work. I never give up. I never give up. I have many dreams. I have many dreams. I work hard to achieve my goals. I work hard to achieve my goals. I enjoy learning from my mistakes. I enjoy learning from my mistakes. I stay calm in difficult situations. I stay calm in difficult situations. I enjoy solving problems. I enjoy solving problems. I like learning from others. I like learning from others. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. I practice my pronunciation. I practice my pronunciation. I listen to English podcasts. I listen to English podcasts. I watch English videos. I watch English videos. I write in English every day. I write in English every day. I read English books. I read English books. I enjoy learning grammar. I enjoy learning grammar. I learn new vocabulary every day. I learn new vocabulary every day. I enjoy speaking with confidence. I enjoy speaking with confidence. I'm improving every day. I'm improving every day. I smile every day. I smile every day. I enjoy making people happy. I enjoy making people happy. I always tell the truth. I always tell the truth. Honesty is very important to me. Honesty is very important to me. I like living a simple life. I like living a simple life. I enjoy peaceful places. I enjoy peaceful places. I respect different cultures. I respect different cultures. I enjoy learning about the world. I enjoy learning about the world. I like spending time alone sometimes. I like spending time alone sometimes. I also enjoy spending time with friends. I also enjoy spending time with friends. I am grateful for my life. I am grateful for my life. I appreciate every opportunity. I appreciate every opportunity. I believe every day is a new beginning. I believe every day is a new beginning. I always stay hopeful. I always stay hopeful. I love learning new things. I love learning new things. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I enjoy every moment of life. I enjoy every moment of life. So I like positive people. So I like positive people. I enjoy inspiring others. I enjoy inspiring others. I want to become a better person every day. I want to become a better person every day. I am happy to meet you. I am happy to meet you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my introduction. I hope you enjoyed my introduction. I hope we can learn together. I hope we can learn together. Let's improve our English together. Let's improve our English together. Keep practicing every day. Keep practicing every day. See you again soon. See you again soon. Goodbye and take care. Goodbye and take care. Congratulations! You have completed today's lesson. Practice these 100 sentences every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every expert was once a beginner. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more spoken English lessons. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.